everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today's video is extra special because it is my birthday as I am filming this, and I did my makeup all pretty. This is my third year in a row doing a birthday get ready with me where I show you my hair, my makeup, and my outfit. So I'll link the last two down below in the description if you want to watch those as well. I really enjoy doing these kind of makeup videos. I'm not the best at it. I just try my best and I love how it turns out. So I just love playing with makeup and seeing how everything goes on. So I just did a quick get ready with me. I show you my makeup, which is this right here, my hair, and also my outfit of what I'm wearing on my birthday, even though we're in quarantine this year. So it's extra special because I just got ready to sit in my living room. So yeah, this is my makeup, and then this is my hair, and my outfit will be in the end of this video. So let's just see how I did my birthday makeup this year, shall we? Hi, I'm starting off with a clean face. I already did my skincare, so we're going straight into primer. I'm just using this one from Wet n Wild, and I'm just using one squeeze onto my face, and I just do it everywhere that needs to be primed, and then I'm just rubbing it in with my hands until it melts into my skin. After I let the primer dry, I'm taking the foundation that I still love. It is the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Nude, and it matches me again because I haven't been leaving the house, and it used to be a shade lighter, but now that I am quite pale at the moment, it matches perfectly on me. So I'm just taking a Real Technique sponge and just blending it in. I try and get the areas where I have a little discoloration, so I'm taking a little bit more of the foundation. I still love this so much. It's like the best foundation I've tried. Well, I haven't tried too many, but this always just did a good job. And I haven't worn foundation in months, and when you don't wear makeup for so long and then you put on your makeup again, it just goes on so well. So I was really impressed with it, and I just love how it turned out. It might be a little light on me. I don't know if it's the lighting, but I fix it later on. Now moving on to concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the Hydrant version, and I got this a couple months back, and I've been using it by itself since I got it, and I really like how it turned out. So this is the first time I used it over foundation. I usually just use it by itself, and it blended in so nicely and it covered up so much. So I did underneath my eyes, and then I used it to highlight with. I think I'm using the shade Medium Sand, and it just blended in so nicely and covered things, and I'm so impressed by it. Moving on to brows, I'm using my trusty NYX brow pencil. So I'm in the shade Brunette, I think, and I really wanted to get my brows done for my birthday. I made it like a goal of mine, and no brow salons are open at the moment, so they really need serious like waxing or something, but I tried to make it work. I filled in the sparse areas. I did both sides, and I think I did a pretty good job. It might be a little darker than what I usually do, but I tried my best. But my brows really need to get waxed, and I just need to get them done soon. So all I did was fill them in, and then I used the other end and combed them out so they aren't too harsh, because I think I filled them in too dark. So I'm just trying to get the darkness out of them and then comb them through. Moving on to the brow gel, I'm still using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. It's just a clear brow gel, and I still love this stuff. I haven't found any that compares to it, so I'm just running it through my brows to set them in place so they're not too bad. Now moving on to my contouring palette, I still use the same contouring palette. I mix the two contour shades, and then I make a fishy face and then just contour my cheekbones. It's still how I do my contouring. I'm still not the best at it, but I still try my best. I do the other side. I do a very harsh line and then I blend it out. That's what works for me, and that's how I learned how to do it. I make sure to blend and blend so it doesn't look like I have a brown streak on my face. I know back when I first started this, I was terrible. Then I just did my nose a little bit. I don't do it too much, unlike my cheeks. Once that's all blended, I just take the sponge and blend it out some more. Now we're moving on to eyes. I'm using the Tartelette in Bloom palette. I'm using a fluffy brush and using the shade Sweetheart. So it's a very pretty pink toned brown. So I'm just dusting it all over my lid. It's been a while since I've done eyeshadow. I'm out of practice. So the eye look isn't the best in the world, but I tried my best and I was just playing around with makeup. So I'm just using a fluffy brush all over my crease with it and just adding color as I want to. I really like this palette. It's been my go-to for a while now, so it has so many nice neutral shades. And I really like the matte shades in it. The sparkle shades are also very pretty, but I've been reaching for the matte shades more and more because I like it as a base. Then with an angled brush, I'm dipping into the shade Leader. It is a very dark brown and I'm just putting it in my lash line. I've discovered this trick to make my eyes look way bigger and smoke it out a little bit more. So ever since I discovered this, I haven't been putting too much eyeliner there because I'm just using that brown shadow and it just makes my eyes more awake, I guess. I just really like it. I can't really do my other eye. I struggle a bit, but I love this trick and I'm glad that I discovered it. I don't know where I learned it from. I just did it one day and I've been doing it ever since. So every makeup look, I try this. Now we're moving on to my favorite palette of 2019. This was the palette that I used all the time. It is the Zoella X Colourpop Brunch Date palette. So I'm just taking the shade Sunday Funday. It is a very sparkly hot pink. And since I'm wearing a hot pink outfit, I always go with this shade. It is my favorite shade in the palette. And I just pack it on into the middle. Then I'm taking the shade Rebel out of the Tartelette in Bloom palette. And I'm just smoking out the outer V of my eye to give it more definition. Because I wanted a very brown smoky eye with a pop of hot pink. That's what my aim was, so I'm just doing it on both eyes. Again, I'm not an eyeshadow person. This is just how I do my makeup and how it turned out. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm just taking this e.l.f. eyeliner that I got a while ago, and I'm not doing a wing. I'm just lining my eyes with it to give it more definition, because after this I'm going to put on mascara. So I didn't want a too big of a line. I just wanted it to be a little subtle. Then for mascara, I'm taking the Lash Paradise. I'm just doing one coat of this because I will be putting on lashes for the first time in a while. So didn't want to put too much mascara on my eyes. Lashes, I'm taking the Ardell Wispies. I'm almost out of it. I use the Duo Glue and it takes me a while to put lashes, but I get there. For lips, I'm just doing a hot pink lip and applied it. For highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit in the shade Starburst and it's so pretty. Then to set my makeup, I'm using the Urban Decay setting spray, and then my hair is no good, so I'm going to magically curl my hair for you. And I love that transition that I did. I thought that was so cool. My makeup is done and I magically did my hair. Let's magically change my outfit, shall we?
In the sunshine, I'm a fool, yeah. I got my love blind and ooh, yeah. Got my heart out and it's covered in gold, like moonlight over Hollywood. And it's cool, yeah, 'cause you know it's good, oh baby. We'll never get old.
And that is my hair, makeup, and outfit for my 27th birthday. I hope you enjoyed watching. All the products that I used today are going to be linked in the description down below. Some of them are actually part of the Sephora sale, so I saw that some of them are a part of it, so you can get a discount on a lot of makeup. I'm probably gonna order some of my makeup favorites that I featured in this video because I'm running out. I also have a blog post about this look and also about my Sephora sale pics if you want to check that out. It is fashionxfairytale.com and you can check that out in the description down below. You can also watch my birthday vlog, which is pretty much my weekly vlog, but birthday edition, I'll have that link down below as well. You can see what I did for my birthday, what I got for my birthday, everything that I did in my house during my birthday this year. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!